Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Zimbabwean comedian and businesswoman Tyra Chikocho, known as Madam Boss, has sparked a debate after announcing she recently underwent a lip filler procedure. The announcement drew mixed reactions online. Many Zimbabweans expressed fear and concern over repeated procedures. Ukazvitanga kuzvisiya kwacho kunonetsa zvakafanana nemadrugs, wrote Jolene Mlambo. And Bianca Jade added, once you start, you will not stop. Does she have anything left original on her body? Asked Tatenda. The post also triggered jokes comparing it to AI. For the first time, I thought it was AI, said someone else on Facebook. Madam Boss remains one of Zimbabwe's most talked about entertainers. And the latest procedure has reignited debate on beauty, aging, and cosmetic surgery. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.